Shapes.
Shapes. Diamond.
Diamond.
The clock is shaped like a diamond.
Heart.
Heart. Heart.
Have you ever seen a pizza in shape of a heart? Rectangle.
Rectangle. Look at the laptop screen. It is a rectangle.
Semicircle.
Semicircle.
The window is shaped like a semicircle.
Square.
Square.
This is a picture frame. It has a square shape. Oval.
Oval.
Can you see an oval-shaped mirror in this picture?
Arrow.
Arrow. Arrow. An arrow says, "Go this way."
Circle.
Circle. Let's draw a circle.
Star.
Star. Star.
Slices of this fruit are star-shaped.
Triangle.
Triangle. The traffic sign is triangle-shaped.
Shapes. Diamond.
Diamond.
Heart.
Heart.
Semicircle.
Semicircle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Arrow.
Arrow.
Oval.
Oval. Circle.
Circle.
Star.
Star.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Square.
Square.
Shapes. Choose the picture that goes with the word. Awesome! Square.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That's right.
Heart. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it. Circle. Which one is?
Semicircle.
Awesome!
Semicircle. Can you point to?
Diamond.
You did it.
Diamond.
Can you pick out?
Arrow.
You did it.
Arrow. Shapes.
Heart.
Oval.
Circle.
Semicircle.
Rectangle.
Arrow.
Diamond.
Square. Triangle.
Star.
Shapes.